Hey, it's your homegirl Tami here, and I am coming to you because buyers, let's go get you a house in 2022. If you are self-employed and you want to get a house, I have something for you. You no longer have to have 24 months of income. If you don't want to do your taxes, we have a program for that. You just need to give me a call. And if you have money, but yet the person who's buying the house may not make enough and their debt to income don't kind of balance right, I got something for you. So if you are looking to get a house and you've been racking your brain, you've been trying to figure it out, you've been all these ways, I'm telling you, these programs that we have out right now, they are enabling you to get a house. And let me tell you, the best thing about this money, it is truly free money. You do not have to pay it back. It is not a silent mortgage. They're giving you the money. They want to help you get a house. They don't want you to be afraid of the interest rate. They don't want you to be afraid to get a house because of the uncertainty. Because they know that this is the time. This is the time. You want to get a house? Give me a call. 678-754-3239. Thanks so much, and I look forward to hearing from you.